everyone, welcome back to JoanneTechLover. I'm Joanne, and today I'll be doing an unboxing on this Thecus N2310 NAS server. And for those of you who don't know what a NAS is, it's a network attached storage device, and it's for general storage or streaming media and the like. And I would say this is a budget-friendly entry-level NAS solution. And one more thing is that it includes DDNS. You can access it remotely to get to your files. So here's what you get in the box: the NAS unit, of course, as well as some accessories and documentation. So let's go over the documentation first. You get a 2-year Thecus warranty, as well as a handy-dandy, very quick guide. Not too much going on. You should be able to figure it out. And also a software CD. Now this includes the Intelligent NAS tool, so you can go ahead and set up this NAS and get some apps running and whatnot. And also, we get some packets of screws, or a couple of them, for installing your 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. And here is a LAN cable. And of course, you get a power adapter and a power cord. Let's take a look at the dimensions first. So this NAS unit measures 8.1 inches long, or 205 millimeters, 96 millimeters wide, or 3.8 inches, and 5.3 inches tall, or 134 millimeters, and it weighs in at 1.8 pounds, or 0.8 kilograms. It's made of plastic, and you get the Thecus logo on either side with both glossy and matte finish. But what I don't like about the glossy is fingerprint prone and dust magnet. However, still for the price, this is a pretty exceptional little box here. Also, not much on the top, except you do get a little vent strip here, as well as on the bottom, another ventilation strip, and you do get these rubberized feet to hold this unit in place on a flat surface such as this table. Now let's flip it around to the front. Here's a look at the LED indicators at the front. So you have it for power, hard drive, network activity, USB, and beneath that is the USB copy button. And you must be wondering, what is it? Well, you can plug a USB drive into the unit, press the copy button, and it'll automatically copy everything from the drive to the NAS. How cool is that? And then beneath that is the power button. It comes with a dual bay enclosure, and as you can tell, it's ventilated. So it allows the rear fan to intake the cool air from the front and vent it out through the rear. And you press this button here on the arm to release the drive tray. Here it is. And you can install up to 2 3.5-inch or 2 2.5-inch drives, and you can store up to 8 terabytes of data, which is quite a bit. Here's a look at the SATA connectors at the back of the NAS, and recommended drives be Toshiba, Western Digital Red drives. They both work, so definitely try it out if you want. On the rear is a small exhaust fan, a USB 3.0 port, a USB 2.0 port, a gigabit LAN port, tiny reset button, and power port. And they even included a Kensington lock slot, as well as this clip here. I think it's to go ahead and manage your power cable. Here's a quick demo on how to install this 3.5-inch drive onto that tray. So go ahead and just insert it like this, and make sure you include these screws in there. And then we will be sliding this configuration back into the NAS. There it is. Make sure this arm is up, of course. And it just plugs in the back, and you secure it by closing the arm. I plugged this unit in and powered it on. Just want to show you the LED. It's currently blinking blue right now. And let me turn this around. I really actually just wanted to show you the fan noise. The fan does tend to get a little loud, but for the price, you're going to get some sacrifices. Now for a look at the specs. So as to performance, the read time is approximately 100 megabytes per second, and the write time is about 80 megabytes per second. And the unit comes with 512 megabytes of DDR3 memory, and it's Windows and Mac compatible. There's even a 1 gigahertz Intel AMCC APM 86491 processor inside. Wow, that's a mouthful. It has support for RAID 0, 1, and JBOD, as well as self-RAID creation. It's energy efficient at 5 watts, and this NAS includes commonly used apps like Plex, which is a media server, and Pixa, which is a photo album service. Well, that wraps up the video on this Thecus N2310 network attached storage device. If you like what you saw and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe buttons, as well as follow me on social media, JoanneTechLover Facebook fan page, JoanneTechLover again on Twitter, and JoanneTechLover once more on Instagram. Also, please don't forget to hit the donate button so I can help expand this channel and feed this techie. One last thing is Storenvy.com, where you can go ahead and check out my 8.5 by 11 inch autograph prints. I guess all that's left to say is, mwah, see you next time!